It's amazing to see how far we've come, from breaking rocks one at a time with a pick, to crushing and moving tons of earth with massive machines. Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo, where today we'll be looking at some great mining machines. If you want to see what the modern-day gold pan looks like, stick around. We'll give you a hint. It can wash a lot of dirt at once. First up, we have the Remax 200. It is a track-mounted impact crusher. Impact crushers use a rotating rotor to crush materials on a fixed surface, resulting in fragmentation. The Remax 200 provides exceptional performance and efficiency in applications involving recycling. It features a diesel-electric powertrain system that decreases pollution and fuel consumption. It also has a disposal chute underneath the impact crusher, which is crucial for dealing with construction and demolition debris. The Remax 200 has an intake hole of 25.6 by 37.4 inches and weighs 60,627 pounds. It has a throughput capacity of about 275 tons per hour. Next, we have the CAT HW300. It is a high-wall mining system that allows for both underground and surface mining. Depending on the seam height, it is capable of producing 44,000 to 121,000 tons of coal each month. The system comprises an underground-driven unmanned cutter module that operates in front of the high wall. The cutter module is driven into the seam by a series of push beams, which also convey the extracted coal back to the entrance of the drive and onto a stack. This system has a comfortable climate-controlled pressurized cab that provides a comprehensive view of the mining activity and the high wall. As the coal seam fluctuates, the operator can manually adjust the machine function using an ampere measurement. Up next, we have the M300D from American Augers, showing off at the Utility Expo IQ. It is a fluid cleaning system for horizontal directional drilling. It can accommodate any drilling equipment with a fluid cleaning capacity of 300 gallons per minute. The device consists of a single derrick shaker and 4 screens that use patented technology to separate particles from the drilling fluid. It can maintain a sand concentration of 0.5% or less in the fluid returned to the well. The system also includes a tank agitation system to keep sediment suspended in the tank and 3 specialized pumps to maintain constant flow and pressure for each function. It is powered by a 480-volt generator with no diesel particulate filter or regeneration cycles. Next, we have the GUNTERT and ZIMMERMAN 7300. This trenching machine is designed to dig and create canals for irrigation or drainage. It features a large, toothed metal wheel that revolves and cuts the earth into a trapezoidal shape. The dirt is subsequently transferred to the other bank of the canal by use of a conveyor belt. The machine can modify the canal's size and depth in response to the slope. It is powered by a diesel engine that complies with environmental regulations. The machine's tracks and leveling mechanism enable it to traverse uneven terrain. It has been built by a California-based company, GUNTERT and ZIMMERMAN, and weighs around 95,000 pounds. Next, we have the TRENCOR T1460. It is a surface mining machine with a mechanical driving system that can cut through rock and dirt. It can cut and clean surfaces up to 4.5 meters broad and 1.1 meters deep. The surface miner is equipped with a big rotating drum with teeth that shreds the material into smaller bits. The material is subsequently put on trucks or conveyors for disposal or further processing. The surface miner is also equipped with a Caterpillar engine producing up to 630 horsepower and meeting US EPA Tier 4 final and EU Stage 5 pollution regulations. An operator controls the surface miner from a comfortable cab with a touchscreen monitor. Next is the CHRISTOPHEL FinesMaster wash plant. It is a fluid cleaning system capable of removing fine particles from sand and aggregates. It can process up to 120 tons of cleaned and dewatered material each hour. The wash plant includes a cyclone, dewatering screen, sump tank, and slurry pump. The cyclone separates particles from liquids and directs them to the dewatering screen. The screen eliminates excess moisture and generates a dry product. It also has an integrated control panel for operators to modify the water flow, pressure, and speed. In short, the wash plant is portable, compact, and simple to install and operate. Last but not least, we have the CHRISTOPHEL AggWash. This modular washing system was built by a German company, CHRISTOPHEL GmbH. It is capable of producing up to 2 classes of sand and removing clays, silts, and slimes from the feed material. The material is loaded into a feed hopper and then transported to a log washer, where it is washed to remove clays and other impurities. After passing through a rinsing screen, the material is cleaned and divided into various size fractions. Coarse aggregates are released onto a stockpile conveyor, while fine aggregates are pumped to a hydrocyclone machine for further classification into sand grades. The sand is then dehydrated using a high-frequency screen and stacked using radial conveyors. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed learning about these great machines. If you did, consider subscribing. We've got plenty of more machines that you can learn about. Just click here. And with that, we'll see you next time.